This is the radiator valve, and I've fitted the RA Danfoss adapter, and you can see that the thread is in good condition on it as far as I can move the camera around. And I'm now trying to fit the thermostatic radio control thermostatic valve. You can see that the thread on the coupling ring is in good condition. Right, so I'll now try to fit it. And I've got it in INS. I'll show you the display. I've got it in INS mode, which I think is the right mode for it to be in. And so I'm now going to turn the ring. And if you heard that click, I get it on as so far, and then just as it gets to a tight point, it goes click, and then the whole thing goes loose. And I'm sure I've got the coupling ring on square, so it's not going on at an angle. So if I turn this until it gets tight and then just no further, then it seems to be okay, although it's a bit precarious because, yeah, but I just touch it and it's now wobbling loose again, then I can just pull it off. So I've tried this about 10 times and I cannot get that ring to mate with the Danfoss collar. I've tried it with the on manual with the thermostatic valve set to off and set to on, so the operating pin would be fully in and fully out. The best I got was when it went into ADA mode, and it did its adjustment thing, but then at the very end of the adjustment thing it went ping and the whole thing went loose again.